This is another Inspired Thinking video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos, give us a thumbs up and comment below. Now, let's get into the video.
How do you know if a person is willing to attain self-improvement? This is a question with no definite answer. It will all depend on the individual. Many people have goals, dreams, or ambitions but do not know how to go about achieving them. They may have thought about what would make up self-improvement and their ideal life, but have no idea how to even begin to make the plans and take the actions required to make them a reality. Some people have a vague idea of how to go about self-improvement. These are the ones that believe that if only they had a better job, or had been given better opportunities, or met the love of their life, or whatever else, everything would be fine and they would be happy. They feel that their happiness or lack of happiness is decided by external factors and their thoughts and actions are of little consequence. Some believe that if only they had more money they could have whatever they want and be on their way to self-improvement. They may have spent little time thinking about what they actually want from life, and do not really believe there is anything they can do to create their fuzzy version of utopia anyway, apart from buying more lottery tickets. Other people do not even know what they actually want from their lives and may even have little idea what would really make them happy. They seem to just drift from day to day, week to week, month to month, and year to year, and do little more than just about get by. They may have seemingly secure jobs and be earning enough to live relatively comfortable lives. They seem happy enough and have no great ambition to achieve anything more from their lives than they currently have. Is self-improvement important? The reality is that throughout our lives we are all constantly growing and developing. Circumstances make us grow and develop, even if we do not make the conscious decision to do so. Up to a certain age, we learn through formal education and we continue to learn through our experiences for the rest of our lives. We have to learn and grow to deal with everything that life throws at us. We all have to go through self-improvement. Modern life moves at a dramatically faster pace than at any time in history. For anyone living in modern society, there are more opportunities to do anything that you want to do with your life than ever before. But there is also more competition than ever before, and ever-changing technology means that there really are few, if any, jobs for life anymore. It is now normal not only to change jobs quite often throughout our working lives but even to completely change careers and industries. Because the workplace is so competitive, people who are ambitious and hungry for success know they need to learn new skills and knowledge to keep ahead of the pack. To attain this, self-improvement is needed. These are the people that will be most likely to keep their jobs or progress within their chosen field, or that will be readily employable in different organizations or industries. A commitment to self-improvement and personal growth may well be the deciding factor in how anyone's future will turn out.
Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos, give us a thumbs up and comment below. See you at the next video.